Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Now it's about time. So I haven't done doing the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A series for Tracfone for a while, since 4 years ago in 2022. Back then. So previously I unboxed the A02s and the A03s. So right before in this video, so let's start with the new Samsung Galaxy A series for Tracfone. So the A16 come first, and the A17 will coming soon in the next video. So if you see any unboxing videos that I did in my videos in the recent video for this time, so click in the link in the description down below. So today I'm going to be unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G for Tracfone. So if you haven't heard about the Samsung Galaxy A16, so it came out last year, so according to the news and the articles. So if you want to know about this, if the last time they unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and then we have the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So, and then we did an official preview of the S25 Ultra and the S26 Ultras that I did in the short videos. So if you want to see it, so it's a mid-range phone, and it looks like it's a perfect phone, just like the S25 Ultra and the S26 Ultra does, including the S23 Ultra with the perfect camera quality. So let's take a look, and let's get right to the unboxing video, and I'll get my tripod ready. So let's go! Alright everyone, here it is, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G for Tracfone, powered by Verizon Wireless, which is covered by Verizon. So it says 5G, unlimited carryover with active service, no contract. So that's the same phone. It's the same box that it has a redesign. So it says here, the box has changed. So features 6.7 Full HD plus display. So let me focus. Focus. Come on, focus. Let's say focus. There we go. So 6.7 Full HD plus display, 50 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, 3 megapixel front-facing camera, battery talk time up to 47 hours, 120 gigabytes of storage, Wi-Fi calling capable. This package includes itself the A16 5G Activation card, USB-C cable, quick start guide, and about your phone booklet. And how it works, yeah, blah blah blah. Alright. Let's get to the unboxing. So there we go. Oh, more tape. Oh, more tape. It's coming out. There we go. Oh my god, here it is. Here it is. Alright, so what's inside here? There's an Activision card right here. So, autofocus. Zoom out, yep. Alright, so Activision card. We have we got a SIM ejection tool, which is this one, which is to take it out the SIM, quick start guide, activate the phone instruction manuals, about your phone guide, and what else? The phone itself, we'll get to that in a moment, and the USB-C cable. Alright. Nothing else. Alright, let's get to the phone itself. Here we go. Let's see. I can't. 1, 2. Wow, guys, can't you believe this? This is a new phone, a redesigned phone, a Samsung Galaxy A. Tracfone presents the Samsung Galaxy A16. It's a new phone, perfect design. So, let's get right to it. We got the camera on the back. So it has like a 50 megapixel camera, a 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel, 13 megapixel, and with flash, since it's a perfect camera. And we have a front-facing camera right here. So yeah, that's 13 megapixels. And we got an all-screen design. The SIM card tray right here. And we got the power button right here and the volume button. The whole microphone, and we have the charger port, the charging port right here, the speaker grill, and the microphone on the bottom. No headphone jack as well. Alright, so let's fire it up and let's turn it on right now. Let's see, we got juice. Alright. Let's see if we can turn it on right now. So instead of the Tracfone logo, it says Verizon in it. So yeah, that's the reason that's the reason why. I don't know why is it going on. Yeah. So yeah, so anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video about the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G for Tracfone powered by Verizon Wireless. So coming up next soon, the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A17 for Tracfone powered by Verizon Wireless, and including the the Samsung Galaxy A17 for Tracfone powered by Verizon Wireless, covered by Verizon, and we will not forget about that. So yeah. So like and comment and subscribe and let me know about it. So we're gonna subscribe to my 3 channels: Privacy J Productions 1, 2, 3, and my content. All of my social medias will let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia. Instagram, JTech727. Snapchat is Goose0727. Follow me on X, PrivacyJNYC1. And follow me on TikTok, it's PrivacyJ Official, same name on Instagram. So thanks for watching and peace out.